just like that. So I'm in Jamaica, got my dad's family reunion tomorrow. It's gonna be a vibe, so welcome to Jamaica. I'm walking around, just in this it's nice. So outside is so hot. Oh yeah. I'll give you guys a tour or a view of where I'm staying. I'm hot and I'm hungry. It's so hot. Oh, and they got the beach down there. But I think that's like a 10 to 20 minute walk. Yeah.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer.
So what happened? My dad loses his belt. Use a string.
Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic, dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. How to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes
We're from Atlanta, so let's give her a round of applause. Let's hear it for her. Give her a round of applause. Hylton coming on. Give her a round. Let me hear a loud hallelujah in this place. It is certainly a pleasure to be here, celebrating family one more time. This is many years, but I'm so happy to be here. And I'm just, I don't know what coordinate, the people who planned the event. Anyway. Anyway, I just call them so that you can see the face behind it.
I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby, ooh. Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead.
The first gift of the day. Congratulations. That was well done.
I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby.
Before them leave right here now. Only two. No,